how to make your iPhone Apple Music sound louder and clearer in minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to make your iPhone Apple Music sound louder, head over to your settings and then scroll down, tap on apps, and on the search bar search for music. So once you search for music, tap on it and then scroll down, go to EQ and then search for vocal booster from the list. Tick on it. So this setting enhances the mids and vocals, making your favorite singer stand out for you. Now once you've done that, you can come back and then you can toggle on the sound check and the crossfade feature. This also helps a lot to enhance the audio. So what you can do, another thing is you can come back and then go to sounds and haptics, and then you can go to headphone safety, and then you can toggle off reduce loud audio, and then come back and go to accessibility, scroll down, tap on audio and visual, and then tap on headphone accommodations, and then here you will need to adjust the slider of vocal range to strong. So if it is in moderate, set it to strong. This will boost clarity and detail in your music. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.